Titans, what a week we're having so far. We had a breakout earlier this week, which ended up being just a fake out. And we had just another breakout late yesterday, but will this also be another fake out? Does this make your head want to explode yet? Slightly different video today, so we're going to jump right into hitting the charts. Kevart, hit that intro. All right, looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame, when we reviewed this chart yesterday, we pointed out that when measuring the Fibonacci retracement from the candle wick at the local low to the top wick of the local high candle, Bitcoin got a really nice bounce off the 0.618, 0.65 Fibonacci golden pocket. Once hitting this pocket, a decision had to be made, and despite the Consumer Price Index or CPI report coming in hotter than expected, Bitcoin made a very nice recovery, and we even closed back above the upper leg of the symmetrical triangle pattern. But as you can see now, we are once again retesting the upper leg of the symmetrical triangle pattern and appear to be finding support at the 0.382 Fibonacci level, which is at about 69K. Looking at the daily time frame again, we can see that the real challenge here is this 71.3K to 72.5K resistance zone that sits right above the breakout area of the symmetrical triangle pattern. And right below is a strong support zone in the 68.6K to 69.4K range. So the price action appears to be trending within a rather tight range right now. Looking at the daily time frame once again, we can still see that the volume at this yellow arrow for the breakout we had for yesterday's daily candle at this yellow arrow still wasn't very high. So it's not giving us a whole lot of confidence at the moment. What we really need to see is the volume for today's candle to pick up and break this trend line in order to get some conviction behind this current breakout. Otherwise, we could just be headed back into this symmetrical triangle pattern and continue consolidating as we head towards the halving event before the next big move happens, which we're expecting to be a big move towards the upside since the true parabolic action for Bitcoin always happens after the halving event. And looking one last time at the daily time frame, if the retest does prove to be successful with substantial volume behind it and we don't get another fake out, then the price target for this breakout is approximately 85K. This is calculated simply by measuring the height at the base of the symmetrical triangle, which is this yellow line here, and moving it over to the point where the breakout occurred. And even if you were to move this yellow line to the retest area, it would still bring us to about 85K. Titans, we are your one-stop source for guiding you through this Bitcoin bull run. Please join us as we continue to provide the latest market and technical analysis that are going to give you that edge.